Hi, I'm Sarah Maxwell, and this is Brooke Peterman. We're the Dedra Hughes team at Mercer Hughes Real Estate Group. Today we are at a beautiful new listing out in the country. It's 6841 Miller Bridge Road. I'm going to let Brooke tell you all about it.
Guys, there is so much to love about this home. It's been custom built. It's 4-bedroom, 3 full baths. It has super high ceilings, plenty of upgrades, sits on 5 acres, has a lovely pool with hot tub, and so much more. It's one of these ones that you have to see to believe. So call me or your favorite realtor and let's go see it today. Come on.